Ivan Alexiev. I'm a full-time board game designer and developer, and over the next 5 videos we're going to be talking about board games, how to make them. We'll talk about stuff like finding your audience, generating really good game ideas and hooks. We'll talk about the prototyping and playtesting cycle, developing your game to make it really polished and the best it can be, and we'll talk about how to keep players' attention throughout your game. A little bit about me: I've been a full-time game designer since 2020. In that time, I've worked on over 300 board games, either as a consultant, playtesting and giving feedback. I also have multiple published titles. In fact, this year I've got 5 different board games coming out, which is crazy. And hopefully these videos can help you on your journey to make a really cool game. So, thank you so much for watching. If you want to work with me directly, you can find me at playerlayer.net.